one day.
Okay,
May
I ask you? Yeah, but may I ask you, what you can make you abandon your Pikin for Malaysia for over 7 years?
I go a mother go abandon Pikin, Jesus. See, I dey walk follow person for house as a house help. I can't give birth to that boy. He did 3 years. I can't give the woman as daycare. Now school, now she dey run for that side. I can say, make she help me to take care of the boy so that me will still see chance till they find money. I go to see the woman. I go see buy food stuff. Go give the woman for school. From there, where I for the work, police come bust there. As police come bust now, nobody will not know story of Malaysia. I don't get passports. I spent almost 8 months for inside prison before they come carry me come back. As I come back now, I can still call the woman say, I want to carry my boy. He said, make I pay 6 million. Now I tell the woman, say, where I want for 6 million. I don't get that kind of money. Okay. If I get 6 million, I will give you, may you give me my boy. Even my brother can still say, okay, may you give her 1 million. She said she know they take until I pay that money. Last year for year November, me and that woman still talk about money. Now she still they talk about.
Okay, no problem. How many years ago now?
Now 7 years ago now, because they carry me come back 2018.
So for 7 years now, the place where your boy for they do daycare, when you go work, they come bust the place. From there they carry you go Nigeria, meaning you're not confident with your son. So now the woman where you leave your son will come back to the take care of the Pikin, abi?
Yes, now she called. I know life for that one. She tried. The woman, her husband, a pastor for that side. Okay. Even from there, where I take carry and give her for that 3 years. Not be that 3 years the day where we say they take carry me come back. He did 5 years of it, I be 4 years of it where they take carry me come back. Now you say about 3 years and be 2 years. Now she take care of the boy.
Okay. Okay. Do you see the woman's number?
I get a Malaysia number.
Okay, you send that for me. The woman, a Nigerian woman, abi?
Yes, a Nigerian woman. She dey stay Igbo, now from Igbo.
Okay, no problem. So what you want to do now? You want me to help you bring your Pikin come back, or what is it?
Yes, I want, but I don't want anything where they'll come put me for social media because I be person with the shame.
Okay, honestly. Okay, no problem.
I wish I get opportunity to carry that boy, for don't carry her since then.
Okay.
If you see me for here, you will not say my enemy they suffer. Serious.
Come in for video, man. See you.
No wahala.
Okay, come in. Where are you? Are you there? Huh? You know my face. What's my name? Osagie, yeah. All right, no wahala. We'll see what you will do to help you out. You'll send me the woman number, then I'll contact the woman. We'll go from there, okay? Since you don't want all those social media issues, I think that what you will fit this solve without all those too much talk. But I think you can really get the help you need if you're able to speak out. I think that's the better option for you. We are not trying to get anybody in problem, but looking at you right now, I know say they go through a lot. And if you don't speak out what they go through, you not get the help you need. I wanna go no, I mean like, hey, closed mouth don't get fed, okay? So the best thing I want you to do now is for you to come to our office tomorrow, okay? By 1 o'clock, I'll be able to talk to you. Think about it. The choice is yours. But I think that once you're able to tell us your problem, then maybe we can pull something together and see how we can help you to bring your son back to Nigeria. I cannot do it alone. But definitely, you send me the woman number. I'll talk to her to see what we can do. All right. Bye-bye. Probably not the finish. So many people are in pain. So many people are going through it. So we are challenged to make a difference. We are doing our best to help our people the best way we can. People just need a little help. See, people just need a little liaison. Say, okay, madam, okay, you just stand in the middle. Say, okay, we're going to do this for you. Let this thing be peaceful, okay? So a young lady was living in Malaysia about 7 years ago, had a baby, The baby was in daycare. From where she was working, she got deported to Nigeria. For 7 good years, a mother have not seen her only son. The place she was staying, obviously, is a daycare, is a business, and those persons that require a certain number of money before they could release the boy to her. And this is a pastor's wife. I don't know how to see that. Okay, knowing fully well that it was not her fault that she was busted in Malaysia. And this is a pastor's wife. Okay, we have found out the information as a pastor's wife. I don't know, but we'll find out and see what we can do within the next couple of weeks to support this young lady also. Meanwhile, we'll keep working on Chinedu's and Joy's case. God bless you. See you tomorrow at the God Send Foundation. Love you. Please send me some stars, man. Send me some stars. Another way you can support is by sending stars. Just send stars. You know what I mean? Another way you can support is to send stars to me now, or request my account number. You know, second a big boy. Let me say, me, you know, they support me. Huh? Of course, you know, second a big boy. Let me say, me, you know, they support me now. It don't make sense now. Nothing is too big. Nothing is too small. Tomorrow, I'm going to raise fund for myself because who they work, they chop. Tomorrow at the God Send Foundation, if you love me, come online. I do organizations in Europe. Please, if you are a part of any of the organization, bring it to your meeting. I do organization in Europe, in America. Okay, so let me take you to our online that I've been working on. I'm going to show you a God Send Foundation online. I'm going to show you a God Send Foundation online so that you can become a weekly partner, a monthly partner. Let me go here. Just hold on. Let's hold on. So I'm also creating a dating site. I'm creating a dating site for a lot of single women. You know, we have a lot of single women in the world. But this site is going to focus more on the African women. Okay. So let me open this for you real quick. You can see that this is Google. So you can just go to God Send Foundation. You see the website right here. You see that? God Send Foundation donate. Okay, that has been created. You see that? A God Send Foundation /donate. You just click on it. You see that? Okay, it's very, very easy. It's going to take you to our website. You see that?